Most parents doesn't know their children. Most children doesn't know their parents.
Yeah.
They hate each other. They fight each other.
Yes.
They poison each other.
They poison each other.
They they bring charms everywhere.
Yeah.
They kill themselves. You know that it's in Ebola, the Christian community, that a brother will kill his own brother because of half plot of land.
Because of half plot of land.
Have you ever had it in a Muslim nation, a Muslim area? I lived in the north. I lived in Kano.
Yeah.
A brother will kill his biological brother or kill his own father or mother because of half plot of land.
Half plot of land.
They will kill you
Yeah.
because of land.
Yeah.
Is it not in Christian land that you see people using their mama for ritual? Christians, Igbos, on him they call life.
Life.
That is Igbo that are using.
All right, guys. I want to play another one from Mazi. Listen.
See what they have turned our parents.
See what they turned our parents.
Human beings into flogging the floor. They will go and tell them to buy Ken night. They will ask them to be flogging trees, flogging the floor that they are.
You see, there's nobody that can be a good person in this kind of mindset. You see, I believe that whatever that we are going through in Igbo land today, that Christianity contributed to it. Christianity flushed away the love we're supposed to have within ourselves. There's nowhere you see 2-3 Igbo people without seeing fight, jealousy, and envy there. Sometimes I used to say, had it been, I can see this man they call, I know this man they call Gentle the Yahoo. Gentle the Yahoo. Because I think Biafrans believe in him and they listen to him. And by me looking at Gentle Yahoo, no matter the struggle he's into, I see a man with good heart in Gentle the Yahoo. I see him that he has a good heart. You know, when during struggle, people do a lot of things just to survive. But when I look into the mind of, when I'm looking at Gentle Yahoo, anytime he's talking, I see somebody that has passion for love and somebody that want to, fight for his people. How I wish I have his contact. There's certain things I will show him in the Quran, and he will use it to start preaching to the Biafrans. If anytime there is love, Biafra will come natural. You know, that kind of natural. Because as I'm reading Quran, I notice that we are living, our culture is Quran. It's in the Quran. One hand, one day, anybody can relate to the mama and papa, one hand, all the Quran, and they all can, okay, that is the way it is in Igbo land. In Biafra land, anytime, ask Namu to close to Gentle the Yahoo. That is the preaching. And you don't need to lift a finger. You do not need to lift a finger for any warfare. It will come natural. I'll see you guys on my next video.